Hello and good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to this channel Abroad Job. So in this session we will discuss a job openings from Australia. It's a multiple vacancies from Australia. So if you are interested to apply for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible. So before that, you should know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job, all the details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is a multiple vacancies in Australia for structural steel fabrications and erections. So as you can see here, basically this job openings from the fabrication, steel fabrication professionals. If you are belong to these professionals, keep watching this video till the end and apply as much as possible. So number one, CNC machine operators. So if you have the proper experience, proper skills to work as a CNC machine operator, and if you have the previous experience, then apply as much as possible. Second, spray painters or blasters. Number three, boil makers and fabricators. Number four, multi welders. So there are four types of job openings from Australia. If you are belongs to any of these professionals, then apply as much as possible. All candidates should speak English with a diploma and 8 to 10 years experience in the respective field. This is the basic requirements. Please keep in mind, if you want to apply for any of these four positions, first of all, you should have a diploma in these specific skills and minimum 8 to 10 years of experience in the relevant field. If you have the proper experience, proper qualifications, proper certifications, proper skills, then you are eligible for apply for this job. Next, the following documents mandatory for processing visa. This is very important point. 12 months bank statements with pay slips, which should match in bank statement. Reference letter from current employer. Kindly mention the positions in the subject of your email. That means when you forward your email for your CV and documents, you have to mention your for which position you want to apply. Next, contact apply with biodata, passport photo, testimonials, and to the given official email ID. So this is the official name. This is the official email ID. Let me highlight it. As you can see here, all the details are right here, like office name, official address, and email ID, contact numbers, all the details. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, I would like to suggest you, this is a multiple vacancies from Australia, and there are four types of job openings. So kindly try to apply as much as possible. Before that, you should know, you should have the proper skills, proper diploma certifications, proper experience in the relevant field, and you should have the proper documents as per mentioned right here. Then you can apply by this official email ID. So guys, first of all, you should know this is the urgent vacancies and you have to apply as soon as possible. Before that, you should have the proper documents, 12 months of bank statements with pay slips, which should match in the bank statement, reference letter from current employer, and kindly mention the positions in the subject of your email. Contact. This is very important point. You have to proper make your CV and all the certificates like experience certificates and educational certificates, then contact to this official address. This is first of all you can get it. First of all, this is the address in Navi, Mumbai. You can see here in your travels and connecting talented worldwide, 6th floor every September, and near railway station CBD-Belapur, Navi, Mumbai. This is the official email ID. Next, in Kochi, which is in Kerala. This is the different locations. So this is the address and phone number and email ID. So first of all, you need to know if you have the proper qualifications and experience. If you are really eligible, then apply as soon as possible. And I would like to suggest you please visit to the office, verify and search and inquire exactly about the job openings. Then talk with them to apply and apply on the spot, and contact with them to attend the client interview so that you can attend the client interview, and after you crack the client interview, the medical process and the visa process will be start. I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. If you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And I'd like to suggest you that please share this information who is having the same qualifications, same professionals, and same experience, and they are having a dream to move abroad with a job. and suggest to apply as soon as possible so that they can apply on the proper time and they can attend the client interview. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll try to give the answers and I'll try to give the update about the uploads of openings. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.